Last time, we invited the people. Now, who works when? Same company account, same hotel card, hotel admin panel, and weekly schedule in the menu. 1 row per person, 7 days, and a handful of states: working, public area, off, vacation, sick, probation. Team leaders first. Some cover the first half of the week, the others the rest, then the inspectors, then the service attendants, each with their 1 or 2 days off, 1 on vacation, 1 sick day, 1 still on probation. The whole week, readable at a glance. Click a cell, pick a state, add a note if you want. 2 shortcuts save the real time. Whole week applies this state to every day for this person. Whole team applies it to everyone for this day. 1 click and a full week of vacation is in the plan. Save changes and it is live. Next week usually looks like this week. Go to the empty week, copy last week, and adjust the few cells that change. Export PDF and the plan goes on the wall, if that is how the team reads it. The team leader can do all of this from the phone, and every attendant sees their own week in their app. This is the schedule, not the work shifts, those we set up earlier. Some days pay more, special days, under settings. The hotel location comes from setup, you can change it here. It is what the holiday suggestions are based on. Define as many day types as you need, each with its own multiplier. When dates overlap, the highest one wins. Start simple, Sundays. Click New Day Type, give it a name, set the multiplier to 1.5. Whoever works a Sunday earns 50% more. Turn on recurrence, choose weekly, pick Sunday, every Sunday from now on. Pick a color, create, and the card already shows the next one. Yearly works the same. New year, double pay, the 1st of January, every year. Create, and it sits next to Sundays. Public holidays you do not type in. Create a day type for them, say Public Holidays 1.5. Import holidays. Pick the day type, then the year. The list is the official holiday list for the hotel's location. Tick the ones that count for you, a few behind us, a few ahead, and import. Open the card and there they are. Switch one off if the hotel does not observe it. Or just ask. AI Import knows the location and the year and opens with the holidays and a multiplier suggestion for each. Tell it what you want in plain words. Create the day types and add the dates, except Good Friday. It creates them. You review, keep, or adjust. Already keep holidays in a calendar? Import the iCal file. Save the whole setup as a template, apply it to the next hotel, or copy it to your other hotels in one go. And when one group is paid differently on the same day, employee group overrides handle that at the bottom. Who works when and which days pay more? Set once, then copied, exported, or imported. The rest of the hotel settings, rates, inspections, and the mobile app are next. Try it with a free trial. ARPCLEAN.com